In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order in UNIQLO 2026. Let's get started right from the source. Open your browser and head to the official UNIQLO Philippines website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open your account menu. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead, that's normal, because delivery details are linked to your account. With the menu open, scroll all the way down to the bottom area of the page. In the footer, find the Help section. Under Help, select FAQ. This takes you to UNIQLO's Help Center, where they organize common questions and tools in one place. On the Help Center page, you'll see a large search bar that says, "How can we help you?" For this walkthrough, don't type anything. Simply scroll down until you see the section labeled Manage Your Order. This is where UNIQLO groups options for tracking, changing, or understanding your purchases. Inside Manage Your Order, choose the option that says Track My Order. Clicking this starts the official tracking flow UNIQLO uses for deliveries in the Philippines. You'll be redirected to the courier's tracking page in a new tab. On that page, look for the field labeled HWB number. HWB stands for House Waybill, essentially the courier's tracking number for your parcel. If you're wondering where to find that HWB number, check your shipping confirmation email or the order details in your UNIQLO account. Copy the HWB exactly as it appears without extra spaces or special characters and paste it into the HWB number field. Then submit or press track. You should see a clear status update, such as picked up, in transit, out for delivery, delivered, or any exceptions that require attention. If your purchase shipped in more than one package, you might have multiple HWB numbers. Simply repeat the same process for each one. A quick tip: if tracking shows no result right away, don't panic. It can take a few hours after you receive your confirmation for the courier's system to sync. Also, make sure you're using the HOB number and not your UNIQLO order number, as they're different. And if you recently made changes to your delivery options, updates may take a little longer to reflect. If your status hasn't moved after a couple of business days, go back to the UNIQLO Help Center and use their contact options or chat support. Provide your UNIQLO order number along with the HWB number so the team can investigate. That's all there is to it. Navigate from your account to Help, open the FAQ, select Manage Your Order, and use Track My Order to enter your HWB number on the courier's page for real-time updates.